Maraming blessings, opportunities na darating starting June 10, 2025 hanggang June 29, 2026. So, simulan natin sa mga Cancer signs or sa may mga Cancer placements. So, if you're Cancer Sun, Cancer Moon, or especially Cancer risings, maraming blessings na darating because this is about yourself, no? Jupiter is entering your first house of self. So maraming improvement. Some of you, merong mga pag-aaralan, may mga bagong endeavors kayo that will improve your life, that will improve your perspective sa buhay. So yung iba, i-improve nyo ang inyong sarili, like maaring kayo mag-exercise, mag-glow up kayo, or mas magiging positibo yung inyong pananaw sa buhay. And ito rin yung time na maaring, mag-gain kayo ng weight. Kung hindi nyo gusto yon, so syempre pay attention sa inyong health, focus on exercise, improving yourself. Marami pang opportunities coming in sa inyo itong transit na to from June 10, 2025 to June 29, 2026. Ayan. So yung transit na yan, isang taon yan na for opportunities and growth. Maari rin yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga bagong belief system na marirealize or may ipa-follow kayo na bagong belief system. So it's about improving yourself, expanding your horizon, and like a major upgrade. So kung gusto niyo ring malaman kung ano pa ang mga blessings or areas of life na magbibigay ng blessings sa inyo or matatanggap nyo ang blessings na yan, opportunities, i-comment nyo yung inyong zodiac sign.